you're going to see your dashboard is divided into two, published courses and unpublished. You'll find all of your new courses for the upcoming school year under unpublished courses. You can see mine all down here, all my Trojan Tech courses. And so first thing is to go through and make sure you have all your courses. If you're not seeing them here on your dashboard, you may have to click where it says courses here on the left. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select all courses. Doing that will show all of your courses, both current and past. So if I scroll down to the bottom here, I like this view because I can see this is 22-23 semester 1 and it's starred, so that means it's showing up on my dashboard. So I'm just going to make sure that all of my new 22-23 classes are showing up on my dashboard. Right now I don't really need to do anything with my semester 2 courses, but they're there for when I'm ready for those. Okay, and then down below you'll see all of your past courses. Back on your dashboard, you'll see all your courses down here, and you'll click that publish button once they are ready to be published for your students.